Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and demo of the ComLite CommiRay multifunctional mini LED video light, also known as the CML50. Alright, well, here's the packaging. It's actually quite small. I'm a little excited to see how this micro-sized thing is going to actually work. Let's open her up and let's see what's inside. We have the multifunctional mini CommiRay LED video light CML50 or CMPL12. I guess it's the manual for both of them. Just a very quick English and Chinese manual. It's got the specifications, has the brightness levels and whatnot. It's got different diffusers, explains what the different adapters do, which I'll get to in a second here. Let's see, and then yeah, we got the warranty card to fill out and send back, and the battery on this is actually built in. So there's no external battery to actually have to deal with. It comes with its own USB cable for charging. As I said, there is no external battery, so just plug this directly into your power source and it charges it up. Now, here's how big it is. Just to give you an example, let me pull out my phone here. And my phone is about double the size. So here's my phone, here's the light. Remarkable. Absolutely remarkable. This is, look at that. That's crazy. Wow. Makes you wonder, like, how powerful would this actually be? Well, I guess we're gonna find out, because I have never even turned this on. So on the back here, it actually has different battery levels, 175, 50, and 25. And then it's got a plus and minus on these two sides here, or these two buttons here. And right below that is the USB charging port. Now I believe these are to adjust the brightness of the LEDs up and down. Now, there's no protection on the front of the LEDs. It is completely open. So my suggestion is to at least always use this diffuser here to at least cover the LEDs and protect them. We'll get into the rest of those in a minute. And here you've got your 1/4-inch mount here and screw to attach the adapters, and you have your power button at the top here. And you've got vent holes on the back. This light's very, very nice and discreet. Let me flip this over. And you've got your warm filter, orange warm filter, and you have your cold filter. Cool filter's blue, blue's cool, and orange is warm. It doesn't quite rhyme, but what are you gonna do? Alright, and of course the inevitable silica pack. Okay, and here you've got the two different adapters here. One of these is a hot shoe mount adapter. I'm going to be, might be using that one. Let's see if I can open this up here. Wow, what kind of packaging did they use? You know what? Let's do it. Holy. Okay, they used some serious packaging for this. Unless I'm opening it wrong. It's always possible. Yeah, that looks like it's just thick plastic and it's taped. Yeah, I was doing it wrong, of course. It's very, very, plastic's like industrial strength. Okay, so on the shoe mount, there is no jack to screw this into a light stand or anything. It's just empty. However, on here, on both ends, you actually do have the screws. You probably need an adapter to mount that directly onto a light stand. Let's see what's see what this one is. Oh, and this one is the adapter for light stand. There we go. Okay, so on one end, whoa. I believe, yeah, on one end is the short end here is the quarter inch mount. It screws in like so. And then on this end is the 3/8 that would go into a light stand. No, that still doesn't quite work. I gotta figure that one out. It still doesn't quite work unless these are two different sizes. Aha! Yes, they are. No, they're not. They're the same size. Interesting. Well, alright. Anyway, let's get this mounted up, turn it on, and see how much of a difference it makes. Now, when you're mounting this, it actually has one big slot here, so you know this is the end that would go in to the top. It just clips in place. You squeeze. Snap, snap. Away you go, Jack. Okay, now I'll be right back. I'm going to mount this up and turn it on, and we'll see how bright it is. Okay, so I have it attached to a flash stand, flash floor mini stand, one of these things here. Let's have it mounted there. I was going to have it on the light, but I don't have, I actually don't have the adapter to move it up and down, and the other mount for my other tripod, apparently I've misplaced that, so I need to find that real quick. But just to give you an idea as to how well this light works, let's move this stuff out of the way here. Okay, and I'm going to do the diffuser, or the color temperature covers after. I would call them gels, but they're solid plastic. So anyway, alright, here we go. So I'm going to turn the light away. It's on 100% full brightness. Let's put the box up here. So that is with the lighting that I have at this exact momento. And let's turn the light around, and there we go. Now, let's move the light a bit further back. Well, it does make a difference. I'm going to cover it now. Not covered, covered, not covered. So for a little tiny thing like this, it's actually not bad. For products, this would be absolutely perfect. The diffusion is great. The spread is perfect. It is a little on the cool side, though. As you can see, the box, it's not exactly white. It's more of a blue. Let me turn. So when you press once, it goes all the way down to the bottom. You press up. You see how it does it in stages, like bloop, 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 bloop. Now if you press and hold, then it gradually goes down stepless, which is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to keep holding until it gets all the way up to the top. And there we go. And on the back, you've got your LED things to check the battery power. All you do is press the power button once. And we are at 75. You can see the little, whoops, see the little red LEDs light up there, hopefully. Hopefully you can see that. Anyway, alright, let's try a different gel here and see how that looks. Now, the one thing I did notice with this is as soon as you turn it on, like if you turn it off and then turn it back on, it defaults to a low setting, probably around 50% full brightness. So it does not remember the brightness you had it set on before, so just keep that in mind. So, just to give you an example, so now that's how low it is. This is with the orange cover. And let's crank up the power again. And that is pretty warm. Pretty warm, if you ask me. Alright, now let's do the cool blue, because blue's cool. Alright, get that on there. Oh yeah, that is really cool. I mean, the light itself is cool because it's so tiny and everything, right? I mean, the color temperature is very cool. It's very, very, very blue. So, everything everything is exactly as advertised, and this will actually be a pretty good product showcasing fill light. I think this would actually be a great thing to kind of hide some shadows and things of that nature, and just to get some more more detail in regards to what it is that you're shooting, because that's without and that's with. It's very, very tiny. You can place it almost anywhere you need to. Let's get it on this side. Yeah, I mean, does do the job. Even from this far away, there's still does have an impact. So there you go. This is going to be an awesome addition. I'm very, very impressed with this. It's easily, you can throw it in your pocket, take it anywhere you need to go. You always have a light with you. Having a light is always better than having no light, right? Right. That's it.